The first sentence is रास्ते में, on the way. कार चलाओ, drive the car, drive the car. मत जाओ, don't go, don't go. दिन और रात, day and night, day and night. तैयार रहो, be ready, be ready. मेरे पीछे, behind me, behind me. मेरे अलावा, besides me, besides me. जैसे तैसे, somehow, somehow. तो क्या, then what, then what. कभी नहीं, never, कभी नहीं, never. ज़रूर, certainly, certainly. लगे रहो, carry on, carry on. हमारे लिए, for us, for us. किसने कहा, who said, who said. आमतौर पर, normally, normally. गंभीर बनो, be serious, be serious. धीमे बोलो, speak slowly, speak slowly. भरोसा रखो, rest assured, rest assured. सीधे जाना, go straight, go straight. क्या हुआ, what happened, what happened. मस्ती करो, have fun, have fun. भागो मत, don't run, don't run. कौन जाएगा, who will go, who will go. झूठ मत बोलो, don't lie, don't lie. एक बार फिर, once more, once more. ये लीजिए, here it is, here it is. बाहर निकलो, get out, get out. आगे आओ, come in front, come in front. धीरे चलो, slow down, slow down. चिल्लाओ मत, don't yell, don't yell. घंटी बजाओ, ring the bell, ring the bell. माफ़ी मत मांगो, don't apologize, don't apologize. घर पर रहो, stay at home, stay at home. देरी मत करना, don't be late, don't be late. इसे नीचे रखो, put it down, put it down. आस पास रहना, stay close by, stay close by. इस तरफ, come this way, come this way. लगता तो है, it seems so, it seems so. थूको मत, don't spit, don't spit. कोई हैरानी की बात नहीं, no wonder, no wonder. घुटनों पर बैठ जाओ, kneel down, kneel down. हाथ ऊपर करो, hands up, hands up. अंदर झांको मत, don't peep in, don't peep in. इतना नहीं, not this much, not this much. आराम से खड़े हो जाओ, stand at ease, stand at ease. चलो शुरू करते हैं, Let's start now. Let's start now. मेरे पीछे दोहराओ. Repeat after me. Repeat after me. कोशिश तो करो. At least try. At least try. तुम सीख जाओगे. You will learn. You will learn. मेरी बात पक्की है. Mark my words. Mark my words. जीत तुम्हारी होगी. Victory will be yours. Victory will be yours. हार मत मानो. Don't give up. Don't give up. मुझे देखने दो. Let me see. Let me see. यह झूठ है. It's a lie. It's a lie. ऐसा मत करो. Don't do this. Don't do this. मेरे साथ रहो. Stay with me. Stay with me. जितना जल्दी संभव हो. As soon as possible. As soon as possible. बिल्कुल भी नहीं. Not at all. Not at all. जो तुम चाहो. Whatever you want. Whatever you want. जब तुम कहो. Whenever you say. Whenever you say. पता है क्या. You know what. You know what. यह मत करो. Don't do it. Don't do it. यहाँ ठहरो. Stay here. Stay here. मेरी मदद करो. Help me. Help me. मेरे साथ आओ. Come with me. Come with me. यह पाप है. It's a sin. It's a sin. भाड़ में जाओ. Go to hell. Go to hell. क्या ये प्यार है. Is it love. Is it love. धैर्य रखो. Have patience. Have patience. अपने आसपास देखो. Look around yourself. Look around yourself. वह समझ गया. He understood. He understood. ये लीजिए ना. Have it please. Have it please. बहुत हो गया. It's enough. It's enough. मैं तुमसे नाराज हूँ. I am upset with you. I am upset with you. मैं तुमसे गुस्सा हूँ. I am angry with you. I am angry with you. वह पहुँच गया है. He has arrived. He has arrived. तुम जा सकते हो. You may leave. You may leave. मुझे भी जाना है. I too have to go. I too have to go. बारिश होने वाली है. It is about to rain. It is about to rain. कपड़े भीग गए. The clothes got wet. The clothes got wet. कपड़े बाहर सुखा दो. Put the clothes out to dry. Put the clothes out to dry. जूतों को पॉलिश कर दो. Polish the shoes. Polish the shoes. अपनी कमीज उतारो. Take off your shirt. Take off your shirt. कपड़ों को इस्त्री कर दो. Iron the clothes. Iron the clothes. अपने दांत साफ करो. Brush your teeth. Brush your teeth. क्या मेरे चेहरे पर कुछ है? Is there something on my face? Is there something on my face? मुझे मत डराओ. Don't scare me. Don't scare me. मैं डरा हुआ नहीं हूँ. I am not scared. I am not scared. मुझे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. I don't care to all. I don't care to all. तुम बहुत भोले हो. You are too innocent. You are too innocent. क्या तुमने उसे सच बताया? Did you tell her the truth? Did you tell her the truth? सच हमेशा कड़वा होता है. The truth is always bitter. The truth is always bitter. मुझसे अब और सहन नहीं होता. I can't take it anymore. I can't take it anymore. मुझे उसकी बहुत याद आती है. I miss her a lot. I miss her a lot. क्या मैं एक बार तुमसे मिल सकता हूँ? Can I meet you once? Can I meet you once? मुझे आज कहीं जाना है. I have to go somewhere today. I have to go somewhere today. इन सब में मुझे मत घसीटो. Don't drag me into all this. Don't drag me into all this. क्या तुमने अपनी दवाई ली? Did you take your medicine? Did you take your medicine? मुझे कुछ भी याद नहीं है. I don't remember anything at all. I don't remember anything at all. वह जानबूझकर मना कर रहा है. He is denying deliberately. He is denying deliberately. इसमें चिल्लाने वाली क्या बात है? What is there to shout? What is there to shout? वह किताब पढ़ते पढ़ते सो गया. He slept while reading. He slept while reading. वह अचानक गायब हो गया. He disappeared all of a sudden. He disappeared all of a sudden. सुनने में यह अजीब लगता है. It sounds weird. It sounds weird. क्या तुम मुझे घर छोड़ दोगे? Will you drop me home? Will you drop me home? वह बदला ज़रूर लेगा. He will take revenge for sure. He will take revenge for sure. तुम मुझे ये पहले बता सकते थे. You could have told me this before. You could have told me this before. उसे भड़काओ मत. Don't provoke him. Don't provoke him. बस जाने वाली है. The bus is about to leave. The bus is about to leave. मैं तुम्हारे बारे में ही सोच रहा था. I was thinking about you. I was thinking about you. मैं ऑफिस के लिए लेट हो रहा हूँ. I am getting late for the office. I am getting late for the office. मैंने नाश्ता बना दिया है. I have prepared the breakfast. I have prepared the breakfast. आज बारिश होने की संभावना है. It is likely to rain today. It is likely to rain today. अभी बूंदाबांदी हो रही है. It is still drizzling. It is still drizzling. यह कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है. It's no big deal. It's no big deal. मैं अब कुछ नहीं कर सकता. I can't do anything now. I can't do anything now. तुम्हें ये पहले बताना चाहिए था. You should have told it earlier. You should have told it earlier. मैं भी यही कहने वाला था. I was about to say the something. I was about to say the something. काश मैं तुम्हारी मदद कर सकता. I wish I could help you. I wish I could help you. ये तुमने कहाँ से खरीदा? Where did you buy it from? Where did you buy it from? कौन हो सकता है? Who could it be? Who could it be? मेरा तुमसे कोई लेना देना नहीं है. I have nothing to do with you. I have nothing to do with you. तुम इतने लापरवाह कैसे हो सकते हो? How could you be so careless? How could you be so careless? ये सब तुम्हारी वजह से हुआ है. It is all because of you. It is all because of you. तुम अपने आप को समझते क्या हो? Who do you think you are? Who do you think you are? मुझे लगता है कि मैं कुछ भूल गया. I think I forgot something. I think I forgot something. मुझसे पंगा मत लो. Don't mess with me. Don't mess with me. मैं तुम्हारा काम करवा दूंगा. I will get your job done. I will get your job done. वह बकवास बातें कर रहा है. He is talking nonsense. He is talking nonsense. तुम यह सब क्यों कर रहे हो? Why are you doing all this? Why are you doing all this? कुछ तो होने वाला है. Something is about to happen. Something is about to happen. अरे नहीं, ये मैंने क्या कर दिया? Oh no, what have I done? Oh no, what have I done? अब मैं तुम्हें नहीं छोड़ूंगा. I won't spare you now. I won't spare you now. मुझे तुम्हारी फिक्र है. I care about you. I care about you. मेरे साथ ऐसा मत करो. Don't do this to me. Don't do this to me. ये हमेशा मेरे साथ ही क्यों होता है? Why does it always happen to me? Why does it always happen to me? मैं ये क्यों नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ? Why am I not able to do this? Why am I not able to do this? वह मुझसे मिलने आया था. He came to meet me. He came to meet me. क्या मैंने कोई गलती की? Did I make a mistake? Did I make a mistake? मैं सारी रात नहीं सो सका। I could not sleep at night. I could not sleep at night. वह तुम्हारे बिना नहीं जी सकता। He can't live without you. He can't live without you. उसे जाने मत दो। Don't let him go. Don't let him go. मैं कुछ कहना चाहती हूँ। I want to say something. I want to say something. अब मुझे क्या करना चाहिए? What should I do now? What should I do now? क्या तुम्हें कभी प्यार हुआ है? Have you ever fallen in love? Have you ever fallen in love? तुम्हें क्या लगता है? What do you think? What do you think? मैं कुछ नहीं कह सकता। I can't say anything. I can't say anything. अपने पढ़ाई पर ध्यान दो। Focus on your studies. Focus on your studies. पहले खुद के लिए नौकरी ढूंढ लो। Find yourself a job first. Find yourself a job first. मेरे फ़ोन की बैटरी ख़त्म होने वाली है। My phone's battery is about to die. My phone's battery is about to die. इसमें रोने वाली क्या बात है? What is there to cry? What is there to cry? कुछ सही नहीं लग रहा। Something doesn't feel right. Something doesn't feel right. तुम कल रात कहाँ सोए? Where did you sleep last night? Where did you sleep last night? मुझे और इंतज़ार मत करवाओ। Don't make me wait anymore. Don't make me wait anymore. मैं अपना सब्र खो रहा हूँ। I am losing my patience. I am losing my patience. जल्दबाजी में फैसला मत लो। Don't make hasty decisions. Don't make hasty decisions. चाय ठंडी हो रही है। The tea is getting cold. The tea is getting cold. वापस काम पर लग जाओ। Get back to work. Get back to work. मेरे रास्ते में आना बंद करो। Stop getting in my way. Stop getting in my way. अब तुम्हारी कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है। You are not required now. You are not required now. घर पर सब कैसे हैं? How is everyone at home? How is everyone at home? ये सब तैयारियां किसने की? Who made all the arrangements? Who made all the arrangements? काश तुम आज मेरे पास होती। I wish you would be with me today. I wish you would be with me today. सिर्फ यादें रह गई है। Only memories are left. Only memories are left. मैं तुम्हारे बिना अधूरा हूँ। I am incomplete without you. I am incomplete without you. मैं आखिरी सांस तक तुम्हारा इंतज़ार करूँगा। I will wait for you till my last breath. I will wait for you till my last breath. अच्छा होगा तुम मुझे भूल जाओ। You had better forget me. You had better forget me. ये तुम्हारा फैसला था, मेरा नहीं। It was your decision, not mine. It was your decision, not mine. तुमने सब बर्बाद कर दिया. You ruined everything. You ruined everything. मैं तुम्हें कभी माफ़ नहीं करूँगा. I will never forgive you. I will never forgive you. तुम्हें भी अपनी ज़िंदगी में आगे बढ़ना चाहिए. You should also move on in your life. You should also move on in your life. ज़्यादा हवा में मत उड़ो. Don't put on airs. Don't put on airs. बिस्तर बिछा दो. Make the bed. Make the bed. नींबू निचोड़ दो. Squeeze the lemon. Squeeze the lemon. नंगे पाँव मत चलो. Do not walk barefooted. Do not walk barefooted. सामान खोल दो. Unpack the luggage. Unpack the luggage. उसे टेलीफोन करो. Ring her up. Ring her up. नाक साफ करो. Blow your nose. Blow your nose. जेब कतरों से बचो. Beware of pickpocketer. Beware of pickpocketer. मोमबत्ती बुझा दो. Blow out the candle. Blow out the candle. अपने काम से काम रखो. Mind your own business. Mind your own business. अपने नाखून काट लो. Pare your nails. Pare your nails. पेंसिल से मत लिखो. Don't write with the pencil. Don't write with the pencil. कुल्ला कर लो. Rinse your mouth. Rinse your mouth. कोई तुम्हें बुला रहा है. Someone is calling you. Someone is calling you. ध्यान से देखो. Watch carefully. Watch carefully. उसे मेरे पास भेजो. Send him to me. Send him to me. सीधे होकर बैठो. Sit upright. Sit upright. बाजार से क्या लाना है. What to bring from the market. What to bring from the market. वह कल से रो रहा है. He has been weeping since yesterday. He has been weeping since yesterday. इसमें कुछ गलत नहीं है. There is nothing wrong in it. There is nothing wrong in it. मुझसे तो चला नहीं जा रहा. I am unable to walk. I am unable to walk. मुझे तुमसे बात करनी है. I have to talk to you. I have to talk to you. कुछ काम कर लो. Do some work. Do some work. वह घर पर नहीं है. He is not at home. He is not at home. मैं जगा हुआ हूँ. I am awake. I am awake. वह सोया हुआ है. He is asleep. He is asleep. तुमने कौन सा परफ्यूम लगाया है? विच परफ्यूम आर यू वियरिंग? विच परफ्यूम आर यू वियरिंग? क्या आपको भूख लग रही है? आर यू फीलिंग हंग्री? आर यू फीलिंग हंग्री? घर पर सब कैसे हैं? हाउ इज एवरीवन एट होम? हाउ इज एवरीवन एट होम? क्या तुमने डॉक्टर को दिखाया? डिड यू सी अ डॉक्टर? डिड यू सी अ डॉक्टर? तुमने मेरा दिल तोड़ दिया। यू ब्रोक माई हार्ट। यू ब्रोक माई हार्ट। यह बिल मैं दूंगा। आई विल पे द बिल। आई विल पे द बिल। बात को दिल पर मत लगाओ। डोंट टेक इट टू हार्ट। डोंट टेक इट टू हार्ट। मुझसे बुरा कोई नहीं होगा। नो वन विल बी वर्स देन मी। नो वन विल बी वर्स देन मी। यह सब मुझ पर छोड़ दो। लीव इट ऑल टू मी। लीव इट ऑल टू मी।